Its review rating is 9.8, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. The property accept major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is outstanding. It is allowed to enjoy the surroundings. Categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Rooms and amenities are available online for this property along with various amenities and terraces. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Be safe, be happy.